Oh my gosh, who are you? What are we doing today?
I'm Carrie and I'm skydiving.
Woo! Jumping out of an airplane with a total stranger. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yes.
You are crazy for sure. So, any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
Nope.
No?
Good.
For me, every time it's the same. Please take my computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. My wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out a skydive and have some fun out there. Here we go, high five.
High five.
Oh yeah. Woo! Here we go. Get up, get out of this thing. Let's go rock the skydive and have some fun. Just relax. Don't worry about where we're going. I got it. Pull the left one down. Woo. Hands up. Relax. You survived. What do you think?
Push her out of the plane?
Hey, I always push them. You have fun?
It was amazing. I still feel like I'm gonna throw up though.
It's okay. We'll get you some water inside. You did great.
It was amazing.
Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank you.
Thank you. Woo.